Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is a new month ahead of us. Right now, we have another, I think this is on Amazon Prime. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And we'll see what goodies it is. Today. Oh yeah, here it is. Coming out in a second. I got it. Right here is this little guy. Bada boom. S20 Ultra 5G. Ooh, baby. This is everything, guys. Brand new. Might have to say goodbye to the iPhone. I had to cut this really nice. Let's take a look at this brand new device. Brand new smartphone. I'll pause you guys once I gotta put my info and all that good stuff. It's gonna be fun doing all the transferrings. Hopefully it's, ooh, look at that screen. Ooh, baby. That is nice. So my first look at it, oh my god. Check out this camera. It's kind of heavy. God dang. Oh boy, say goodbye iPhone. See, I'm using my 10 Plus. This is way better than the 10 Plus. Like I said, a little heavier. It's probably because of this thing. This camera. You can see outer space with it almost. But this is a nice color. Like a grayish type deal. Really cool. Start her up. Should be like the same. Yeah, because I'm going to definitely do the backup and everything. Wow, this should. There we go. Got the Ultra. Like this in the background. Nice clarity right there. You can see. Oh yeah, let's see what other goodies they sent. Oh, this is a nice one. This is newer style. Kind of thicker. Nice. I like this one.
Let's get started.
Oh yeah.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Yeah, buddy, she's good. Let's see what this is. Nothing. Kind of weird. Alright. And we have the cable. Yeah, buddy. We got the USB cables right there. To charge it, to transfer earphones. AirPods. Whoa. Got some extra protection. Oh, these are nice. Still got the... Oh. The other jack's gone. Hey. That's kind of like the iPhone. They removed the audio jack. That sucks. But oh well. These are these are pretty good speakers too. AKG, really nice clean bass. I don't need to do a review on those, but definitely a good backup ones or your permanent ones. Is that it? Oh shoot. I'm surprised they didn't send the transfer thingy. I'm gonna have to look for my other one. Hopefully it's different this time. Let's take a look at the phone now. Alright, English.
Let's look at the terms and conditions.
All that good
Once
stuff.
you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Oh, really? Could really get going.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy.
Okay, I gotta block this guy.
Choose a network.
But it feels kind of weird because I hold my phone like this. I could feel it. This extra camera thing. You guys can see, it's like a magnet. Dang. Alright, I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers. Well, that was fun. Definitely took longer than I expected, but I didn't need that little cable. That you need to transfer. All you needed was this. and it worked. You just gotta plug them both in. But this phone is amazing. The video, way to go. Maybe YouTube I could show you guys really fast. But the sound, skippy. We got the ads going. Okay. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day. Still gotta set it up. We made it. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is gonna be down below, where you can purchase one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides
I don't understand what it.
I'm not sure where this is coming from, but it's gonna be corrected in the title. So, should be easy one.
Oh.
Get into.
There you go.
There you go. Oh, we have another box. Alright.
Why is it doing?
And if you like this item you see today, all you gotta do is click the link down below. Add it to your
Oh, I
shopping
can zoom
cart,
in.
and check out
Whoa.
really fast, and they'll ship this to you. Sonoro caked.
Whoa.
Oh, here we go.
Look at that.
Sonoro caked
Fills in.
bed sheet.
Ooh, this might.
Queen size. Alright.
For watching movies and stuff. Man, I wish I could get rid of that.
There you go. Nice little box right here.
You kind of could tell
A little special.
a little bit, but if you don't stream like sports or movies and stuff on your phone, this will be no big issue. But for me, I do a lot of streaming, like Hulu, Amazon Prime. I also do watch movies and stuff.
That's what we're gonna do in this video.
It's kind of a bummer.
It might be a long one,
But look at that though.
A little note. Alright.
Clear. Camera. Amazing. There you go. You can do it all the way up to 100 times. Holy moly. That's definitely something new. Dang. That's really good. Oh, you could do Bixby. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of Bixby that much, but it's pretty cool. Oh, this is nice. Nice quality camera. 100 times zoom video. 20. Whoa. You could definitely see the Earth. It's nutty. We got those. Live focus, pro video, super slow, food, night, pro. Whoa. I'm really impressed with this phone. Look at that. Wow. That's 4 times. So if you're at a concert, sporting event, look at that. That is insane. Yeah, I'm definitely going to get this also. Got this as a gift to somebody, but I'm definitely going to buy this one. And I'm not sure if that one or maybe the flip type deal. But this phone, definitely better than the S10 Plus. This is a huge upgrade, but look at that camera in the back. Alright, there you go. You can draw your air doodle type deal. Well, good panorama. It's a little tricky. It needs light. It needs to be a bright area. And a little twist here. Oh, come on now. I thought I had it bright enough. There it goes. Oops. Air doodle. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's try this again. There we go. Yeah, see, there's an air doodle. You just pick your like markers, your color. Get this doodle. Kind of air bubbles it. And that thing will come on the screen. It's pretty cool. It's like a 3D type deal. What else? I mean, this phone, by far, the nicest one I've seen. Photos, standing, video. And we can do 100 times. Oh boy. Dang. It went right through the drapes. Look at that. You can see right through. We'll see outside. That's crazy. I'm liking this phone, guys. Definitely check it out. Link will be down below where you get one. See, there's that. How it pops out. Stuff. That's really cool. But the photo quality, though, is pretty spiffy, guys. Look at that. You can see someone's pimple from the stadium. Zoom in. Bam. Wow. I'm sure there's a lot of good accessories. Hopefully I'll be getting some in to show you guys throughout the month. And really nice phone, guys. Definitely check it out. S20 Ultra 5G. Ooh, baby. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. And like I said, not sure what color that is, but definitely interesting. And I'm going to finish installing some apps. We'll be good to go. Alright, have a good night. See ya.